Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 25th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had a really interesting day today. It was a good day for us, I think. Let me tell you about it. We came in with quite a few positions from yesterday. I think our open trade equity from yesterday was around $10,000. It opened up this morning and we were holding well over $20,000, I think at one point even $25,000 in open trade equity. It really looked good, and we ended up closing everything out, and we closed out almost $23,000 in trades today. So that looks really good. We had a little problem though. Because the Dow Jones was up, I think it was up close to 100, maybe a little over 100. I'm not too sure. I wasn't watching every second of it today. But while it was way up, we were buying like crazy. We got into a lot of stuff. I think about 22 positions, and we got into those positions pretty much near the top. And then something happened, and I haven't been able to find out yet exactly what happened today, but the market turned and it fell about 75 points from the very top. It still closed up 25 points, but that was down considerably from where it was in midday and when we were doing all this buying. So we are carrying negative 5,000 in open trade equity. Now, negative 5,000 on a day that you've closed out almost $23,000 in trades, that's not too bad. Here's the problem. We have 22 positions. This market tanks tomorrow. We could give up that 20,000 pretty quickly. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I gotta say we still had a great day. So anyway, I'll show you some charts. Okay. I was posting these on StockTwits this morning, so I'm going to show you the charts that I made to post on StockTwits, just to give you some flavor for how great this day was for us as far as what we closed out. This is AG, and we closed, see, we bought it yesterday, we sold it today, we took $4,200 out of that trade. The next one I'll show you is CLNE. Again, we bought it yesterday, midday. We got out today, not quite at the high, but we still took $3,900 out of CLNE. This is CPE. Bought it yesterday, sold today. Again, we missed this nice high here, but we still took $2,300 out of CPE. And this was a nice one in EXK. Bought it yesterday, midday. We sold this one almost at the high, and we took $4,050 out of that. And then we had a bunch of smaller trades too. I'll show you one here in PKD. But again, you know, we bought this early on yesterday, and we got out of that pretty darn close to the high, and we took $2,227 out of PKD. So, you know, as again, we made almost $23,000 on what we closed out. This kind of shows you the problem we had today, however. The Dow opened up strong, took off. I mean, we were just doing fabulous here, and actually, while the Dow was up around here is when we were taking most of our profit. So we did really well with what we were closing out from yesterday. The problem is when it was up here in this area, right up there. We did a lot of buying. As I say, we got into about 22 markets, and then when this thing sagged here, and I still have not been able to find out what happened, but something happened, took it down from about positive 100 to positive 25, and that was enough to put us in the red by about $5,000. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed, not bite our nails too much, and hope we have at least a neutral day tomorrow. If we just get out of this negative $5,000 with no more than a $5,000 loss, we're fine. But if this thing really falls out of bed tomorrow, we could be in a little trouble. Anyway, that's the way it went on Thursday. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.